Hello and welcome to another SonicWALL video tutorial. My name is MG Sriramaya, Senior Tech Support Engineer, SonicWALL. In this video, I'm going to show you how to configure WAN GroupVPN using pre-shared secret using the SonicWALL configuration wizard. The SonicWALL configuration wizard helps you to quickly and easily configure various features of the SonicWALL security appliance. These are the steps to configure WAN GroupVPN using the wizard. Configure WAN GroupVPN using the configuration wizard. Add a DHCP lease scope bound to the X0 or LAN interface. Add a user for remote VPN clients. Test the configuration by connecting using the SonicWALL Global VPN client software. For the purpose of this video, we use a network like this. In this network, the SonicWALL has a primary WAN interface IP of 192.168.170.51. This SonicWALL has a LAN and a DMZ network. A web server is located on the LAN zone with an IP address of 192.168.168.200, and a mail server is located on the DMZ zone with an IP address of 10.10.10.200. Our objective is to allow remote users on the internet to access the network behind the SonicWALL by connecting to WAN GroupVPN using the Global VPN client software. Let us begin by logging into the SonicWALL management interface, which I have already done here. The configuration wizard can be launched at any time from the management interface by clicking on the wizards button in the top right corner. In the configuration wizard window, select VPN wizard and click on Next. For VPN policy type, we select WAN GroupVPN. Click on Next. On this screen, we have an option to either use a pre-shared key generated by the wizard or to set a key of our own. For this video, we set a pre-shared key of test1234. Click on Next. On the security settings screen, we can select the security settings for WAN GroupVPN. For this video, we choose to keep the default settings. Click on Next. On this screen, we can enable user authentication and select the user group under which remote users will be members. If we choose to disable user authentication, we must select an address object or address group. If user authentication is disabled, remote clients will not be prompted for authentication and will be allowed access to the address object selected here. For this video, we enable authentication and select the trusted users group. Click on Next. On this screen, we can enable or disable the use of virtual adapter to obtain an IP address. If this option is enabled, remote VPN clients will obtain an IP address from the primary LAN subnet of the SonicWALL in their virtual adapter. For this video, we keep this option checked. Click on Next. This completes the wizard. And this is a summary of the settings that will be configured by the wizard. Click on Apply to complete the VPN wizard configuration and ready the SonicWALL to accept VPN connections from remote users. Click on Close to close this window. After completing the wizard, you will be taken to the VPN settings page. On this page, you can see the Enable VPN checkbox has been enabled, and under VPN policies, WAN GroupVPN has been enabled. Let us now create a static DHCP lease so remote users can obtain a virtual IP address. Go to the DHCP server page by clicking on the DHCP server under Network. On this page, the DHCP server would be already enabled by the wizard. To create a DHCP lease, click on the Add Dynamic button. This will open the Dynamic Range configuration window. Enable the checkbox under Interface Pre-populate and select X0 from the drop-down. This will auto-populate the fields here. You may change any of these fields. For this tutorial, we accept the default settings. Click on OK to save the settings. Next, we create a user for the remote VPN connection. Under Users, click on Local Users. Click on Add User. Enter a username and password here and confirm the password. Leave the remaining fields as it is and click on the VPN Access tab. Here, we select the local network resources the remote users can access over the VPN. For this video, we select X0 and X2 subnet. In TZ devices, this would be LAN and DMZ subnets. Click on OK to save. This completes the WAN GroupVPN configuration. Let us test this configuration by connecting from the WAN using the SonicWALL Global VPN client software. I am on the WAN side of the SonicWALL. I have opened the SonicWALL Global VPN client software. Create the connection using the New Connection wizard. In the IP address or domain name field, I enter the primary WAN interface IP address of the SonicWALL, 192.168.170.51. Under connection name, I enter a name for this connection and click on Next. I click on Finish to create the connection. Now, right-click on the connection and click on Enable to start connecting. When prompted, I enter the pre-shared key. Click on OK. Enter the username and password of the user we created in the SonicWALL. Click on OK. When successfully authenticated, the virtual adapter on the VPN client will obtain an IP address from the SonicWALL DHCP server. We test by pinging an IP address of a host behind the SonicWALL. Let me ping the web server IP 192.168.168.200. I get replies, and then the mail server on the DMZ 10.10.10.200. I am able to get replies from both. This means the VPN tunnel is able to successfully route traffic to the network behind the SonicWALL. This concludes this video on how to configure WAN GroupVPN using pre-shared secret using the SonicWALL configuration wizard. Thank you for watching this video. To learn more about Dell SonicWALL security products, visit sonicwall.com. For more video tutorials, visit dellsoftware.com/support.